Welcome to another Jamaican Food Finds video. Callaloo is a leafy green vegetable that grows in the Caribbean. I recently learned that it originated in West Africa. Here we have our saltfish. Our saltfish is slightly different from the ones that we find here in America, and it's called codfish or polluck. It doesn't have the bone in it. This is corned beef. We call it bully beef. Don't ask me why. But anyways, that's a look of the corned beef when it's out of the can and cut. Now, of course, the coconut milk. That's coconut milk in a can. Next up, we have our tin mackerel, aka dirty gal, translation dirty girl. Don't ask me why they call it that. They just do. Thanks for watching.